Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the factors that influence first call resolution, or FCR. In a call center, FCR is shaped by a wide range of elements, from the skills, knowledge, and authority of agents to the processes and policies that govern how issues are handled. Technology and system reliability also play a crucial role, ensuring agents have the tools and data they need at their fingertips. Finally, customer-related behaviors and inputs, such as the information they provide and the nature of their queries, directly impact whether issues can be resolved on the first attempt. In this presentation, we'll explore each of these categories in detail: agent-related, process and policy-related, technology and system-related, as well as customer-related factors, to understand how they come together to influence FCR performance and customer experience. Let's begin with the agent-related factors that directly influence first call resolution. The first factor is skill and knowledge levels. When agents lack adequate training or have limited product knowledge, they may not provide the right solution on the first attempt. This leads to multiple follow-ups, which not only frustrates customers but also reduces operational efficiency. Next, we have soft skills and communication. Even when agents have the right technical knowledge, poor listening skills or unclear communication can result in misunderstandings. This often leads to incorrect resolutions, forcing customers to call back for the same issue. The third factor is agent authority. If frontline staff do not have the authority to make decisions, such as issuing refunds or handling cancellations, they are forced to escalate calls unnecessarily. This delays resolution and reduces FCR performance. Finally, agent experience and tenure play a significant role. New hires often struggle with FCR because they are still learning systems, processes, and customer expectations. Over time, with experience and coaching, their ability to resolve issues on the first attempt improves. In summary, an agent's knowledge, communication skills, decision-making power, and experience level all combine to determine whether or not a customer's issue can be resolved on the very first contact. Now let's look at the process and policy factors that can impact first call resolution. The first is complex escalation procedures. When escalation rules are unclear or overly complicated, agents spend more time navigating approvals and workflows. This delays the solution and reduces the likelihood of resolving the customer's issue on the first call. Next, strict compliance and verification steps. In highly regulated industries such as banking, insurance, or healthcare, agents must perform extra validation before completing transactions. While necessary for compliance, these additional checks can extend handling time and reduce FCR. Another critical factor is workflow inefficiencies. When a case requires multiple handoffs between teams or departments, the chance of a smooth first call resolution decreases dramatically. Customers often get caught in the middle, waiting for coordination across silos. Finally, we have limited knowledge-based resources. Without easy access to standardized FAQs, troubleshooting scripts, or process guides, agents are left to rely on personal judgment or guesswork. This slows down resolution and increases the risk of repeat contacts. In short, process complexity, compliance demands, workflow inefficiencies, and weak knowledge management all create barriers to resolving customer issues the first time, every time. Next, let's explore the technology and system factors that significantly affect first call resolution. The first is CRM and data integration issues. When customer information is spread across disconnected systems, agents are forced to toggle between multiple tools. This increases handle time, creates frustration, and lowers the chances of resolving issues on the first contact. The second factor is outdated telephony or ticketing systems. Slow call routing, frequent lags, or poorly designed ticketing workflows prevent agents from delivering timely resolutions. As a result, many cases remain unresolved in the first attempt. Another key challenge is the lack of AI-powered tools. Without real-time knowledge suggestions, sentiment analysis, or intelligent search capabilities, agents spend valuable time diagnosing problems. Modern AI assistants can guide agents toward faster and more accurate solutions, directly improving FCR. Finally, system downtime. When core platforms such as CRM, billing, or order management systems are offline, agents are simply unable to complete resolutions during the initial call. Customers must call back, leading to a drop in FCR and overall customer satisfaction. In essence, seamless integration, up-to-date systems, AI-enabled support, and reliable uptime are critical enablers for high first-call resolution rates. Finally, let's examine the customer-related factors that influence first-call resolution. The first is incomplete information from customers. When essential details such as account numbers, order IDs, or contact information are missing, agents cannot fully resolve the issue in the initial interaction. This almost always results in follow-up calls. The second factor is multiple issue queries. Sometimes, customers raise several unrelated problems during the same call. While one issue may be resolved immediately, others may require additional time, research, or even involvement from different departments. This lowers the overall FCR rate. The third factor is customer availability for follow-up actions. In certain cases, resolution depends on the customer providing additional input, for example, submitting documents, verifying identity, or confirming details later. If that step cannot be completed during the first interaction, the case remains open and FCR declines. In summary, customer-side challenges such as incomplete information, multiple requests in one contact, or unavailability for required follow-up actions all reduce the probability of achieving true first-call resolution. Lastly, let's discuss the external and operational factors that shape first-call resolution. The first is high call volumes. During peak periods, such as seasonal demand spikes or service outages, agents often feel pressured to rush through calls. This increases the likelihood of errors or incomplete resolutions, leading to repeat contacts. The second factor is new product launches or policy changes. Whenever new services, features, or regulations are introduced, there is often a learning curve. If agents have not been adequately trained or updated, they may provide inaccurate or incomplete solutions during the first attempt. The third factor is attrition and absenteeism. High turnover or frequent absenteeism weakens the overall expertise of the workforce. With fewer experienced agents available, the call center's ability to consistently achieve high FCR rates is reduced. In short, external pressures such as surging demand, organizational changes, and workforce instability all create challenges that directly impact first-call resolution performance. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.